Right now in this video we will see how to create practically a form by using a Composer software. Okay, first click on the Composer shortcut key. Generally it is placed on the desktop, otherwise you can copy it here. Double click and it will open a software. This is the screen of a Composer software where you can see the important toolbars. First is always title bar, then menu bar, then the next one is composition toolbar, then formatting toolbar 1 and formatting toolbar 2. This is the place where generally we are creating a form or a web page which is known as page pane, right? At the bottom here it is written as a body tag which is known as status bar, and here you can see different tabs: normal, HTML tag, source and preview. These are known as edit mode toolbar. Okay, this is, you can say, the overview of your Composer screen. Okay friends, now we will start how to create a form. If we want to start creating a form, then first thing, compulsory, we have to create a define form. Okay friends, it is compulsory to define a form and you have to do it only for the first time. Okay, click on it and it will open a dialog box called form properties. In that you can see three different properties that we had studied in the theory portion. First, you can type any name, whatever name you want to type. Second property is action. Okay, we had seen what is the use of action property. Here generally we will type register.html or any other HTML file, no problem. The next property is a method, and here I will select method as a get. Okay friends, now as and when I click on OK button, on the screen you can see blue color dotted outline border. Okay, that is the indicator that your form tag has been started. Now in this form you have to create a form to get the information from the user. ओके चलिए यूज़र नेम बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं, सॉरी फॉर्म बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले होगा जो यूज़र नेम, जो भी आपको लिखना है आप लिख सकते हो. यूज़र नेम, और उसके साइड में होगा एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स जिसके अंदर आप जो चाहे वो नाम एंटर कर सकते हो, or which is also known as the element of a form tag. And if we want to insert this type of elements, then again go to the form and now you have to click on form field. Okay, click on the form field. It will open a field property dialog box. Okay, and by default you can see the text field is already selected. We want to insert text box only, so we are not going to change it. Name, compulsory we have to give the name to each and every element. Any name you can give. There is no compulsion of giving a particular name, but the name must be there. Okay. The next is initial value. Initial value is used when we want to give some starting value to the particular field. Okay, usually we are not giving any starting value, so we will keep it blank and simply click on OK. Okay, here you can see one box is there. Press the enter key. Now after the username, generally the word is password. Okay, password box is there. For that purpose again go to the form element, click form field, and here by default is text. Instead of that change to password. Here you can see all the field available. First select the password. Again, name is compulsory. You can give any name. Okay, see, as you can see, I had given the name as a T1 and P1. It is not compulsory, but the particular style is there. T means text box, P means password, like that. So you can easily identify if P1 is there, then compulsory it is a password. Okay, click on OK. Password box is there. Enter. Now friends, we can insert another radio button, but before that it is usual practice to save the file. Okay, then press Ctrl S. As and when you press Ctrl S to save the file, first it will ask for page title. Okay, whatever you want to display in the title page, any name you can give, no problem. You can say first page. Okay, and OK. Now it will display the save as dialog box, and here you have to give the file name, whatever you want to give to the web page. Generally it will take the same name as you had given in the title. Okay, so I am keeping the same name, first page, and save. Okay, as you can see in the title bar, your page name is there. Okay, now you want to see the output, whatever you had created, then how it will look like on the browser, that you want to check. For that purpose, click on this browse button, so it will open your this web page into a browser. Okay, keep this bar selected and launch application. So now it will open a default browser and it will display the output. Okay, it is exactly the same whatever you had created. Okay, that's why this software is known as what you see is what you get. Means what you see on this Composer screen, exactly that you are getting on the browser. That's why it is known as what you see is what you get. Okay, now after seeing the output, we can continue further for creating a different elements of the form. Now we will start with the gender. Okay, means we want to create two options, male and female. And for that purpose, again click on the form field, and in the field type you can select a radio button. Okay, we had seen the radio button is used when we want to select only one option from given choices. Here I am giving the name R1. Friends, here it is compulsory in radio button to give field value. सिर्फ रेडियो बटन के अंदर आपको फील्ड वैल्यू कंपलसरी देनी पड़ेगी. एनीथिंग यू कैन गिव, say for example male, and click OK. And with that button we have to insert a option, that is male. Similarly, insert the second radio button, again form field, radio button, name. Now here the most important MCQ of this chapter, that is, if we want to create a group of radio button, then compulsory the name of all the radio button must be same. As you can see on the screen, in male option also we had given the name R1, and here also we are giving the same name R1, so the name must be same. Okay, field value can be anything, it doesn't make any difference, but compulsory the name must be same. Okay, give the option as a field value female. Okay, and write down the option name, that is male and female. Save the file, Control S. Now we will be using a checkbox, that is for the hobbies purpose. Okay, hobbies, for that we will be using checkbox. Why we are using a checkbox? Because in a checkbox we can select one option, more than one option, or all the options. Okay, so here we will give the name checkbox C1. Okay, we will write the name dance. Again insert second checkbox. Now here what should be the name? Either name should be C1 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 or C1 C2 C3. Friends, you can give any name in a checkbox. There is no concept of a name in a checkbox. Okay, that concept of the name is applied only to the radio button. Here we are giving the name C2. Click OK. Enter the second value, drama. Third, form field, checkbox, and again I am using C2. So I had used the name C1, C2 and C2. And third one is music. Okay, so this is the use of a checkbox. Save. Now I want to see the output. Okay, then there are two options. Simply you can click on this browser button and you can open the window which is located at the bottom of your screen. Okay, but the easier way is to click on this browse button. Okay, username, password, gender and hobbies. Now here I will show you how to use a radio button. First I click on this male option. Okay, this option is selected. If I click on a female button, then the male option should be deselected. This is the radio button. Only one option should be selected. Clear? Now we come to the hobby purpose. Click on the dance. I want to select another hobby, music, that I can select. I want to select third hobby, drama. Okay, I can select, no problem. Right? So this is how we can select the multiple options in, you can say, checkbox. Clear? Now we come back to the Composer software. Okay, now we will insert the next element which is known as drop down box, or which is also known as select tag. For that purpose again we have to click on this form, but now not on the form field. Okay, you can see the fourth option is selection list. Friends, this select tag and another text area is not available in the form field, that you will get individually from the menu. Okay, so click on the selection list. Right, here is the selection list property dialog box. Okay, first it is asking for list name. Any name you can give. Here I am giving the name city. That is the name of that particular field. Now under this city I want to create different options. So I click on add options. Say for example Ahmedabad. Again click another option, Gandhinagar, Rajkot, Surat. That's it. Okay, then after completion of this list, now you don't want to add anything else, then simply click on OK. Right, and here you can write city list. Okay, as I had told you in the last video that in the normal mode this list box, this drop down box will not work. यहाँ पे ये ड्रॉप डाउन बॉक्स काम नहीं करेगा. अगर उसको देखना है तो फाइल को सेव करो एंड click on this browse button. Okay, and click on this box. Okay, here you can see this is known as drop down box. All the 4 options are displayed: Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Rajkot and Surat. Okay, coming back to the Composer software. Now after city list, the next field is I want to type address. Okay, and generally for address purpose we are using element called text area. Again, form tag, instead of form field click on this text area. Friends, as you remember, text area is used for multiple input. Means if we want to write more than one line, then this text area is used. Okay, type the name, okay, as an address. Compulsory we have to give rows and columns. Okay, the meaning of rows and columns is it will give you enough space to write 10 rows and 20 columns. Okay, this is the output of a text area. Again press enter. Now I want to attach or I want to get the photograph of a particular student. Then I will type here attach pic of student. Pic of student. Okay, so with this I have to insert a file box. For that again go to form field, instead of text select this file and file name you can say pic or any name you can give. Click on OK. So here it will display the text box as well as the browse button. Okay, and after completion of all these element, at last we have to add a submit button. Again form field. Friends, remember only 2 elements you are not getting from this form field, that is selection list and text area. Except these 2, each and every element you are getting from form field. Instead of text click on submit button. Okay, here give the name S1 and field value. Here the meaning of the field value is, okay, as and when you insert a submit button, by default it will write submit query on that particular button. Say for example, simply on the screen you can see on the button here it is written OK. This is a OK and this is a cancel. Like this, if I want to display, if I want to write something differently, then I have to insert a field value which is known as caption of button. I repeat, if we want to change the writing on the button, it is known as caption. Okay, so here I am writing send the data and OK. Right, so here you can see on the button it is written send the data. Okay, similarly we will insert a reset button. Form field, reset button, name RR1. Remember, we cannot give R1 because that R1 name we had given already to the radio button. Okay, so here we are giving the name RR1 or any other name, and field value I will type delete the data. Okay, now this is, you can say, the completion of your form. Save the file and click on this browse button. Okay, username, password, simply I will type the data. Hello, password, it will not display any character. I will select mail option, I will select dance, I will select Ahmedabad, I will type my address. Okay, I will choose a file, any file this. Okay, and send the data. Okay, for this purpose only, see, I will show you now the real use of get and post method. Okay, now if I click on this particular data, then this data it will get, collect and send it to the server. Click, remember the word we had written hello in the username. I click on the submit button. Okay, you can see in this address bar, right, after the register.html, here T1 is equals to hello, right, P1 is equals to FDFD, R1 is equals to mail. Okay, here whatever data I had entered, it has collected the data and send it to the server, and it is visible in the address bar. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, क्यों? कि आपने ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है मेथड इज इक्वल्स टू गेट. ओके, अगर आपने मेथड इज इक्वल्स टू पोस्ट सिलेक्ट किया होता तो ये ऑप्शन सभी आपको देखने को नहीं मिलते. ठीक है, कमिंग बैक टू कंपोजर सॉफ्टवेयर, राइट, this is your final form, but one thing is still missing, that I don't want this white background. ये white background मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I want to make it somewhat attractive by changing the color. Okay, then for that purpose go to the format menu, click on page color and background. Okay, as I had displayed this screen earlier, select use custom color, and at last you can see background. Click on this white color, select the color of your choice. Say for example I am selecting this light color. Okay, 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 the background color has been changed. Save the file, save and browse. Okay, here you can see the final output of your form in the web browser. Okay, coming back to the composer, clear.